Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about view. What is a view? View is a representation of the table. We can say that whenever you want to display some specific records or whenever you want to filter some records, whenever you want to filter some columns, at that time you can create the view. Advantages of view is we can restrict the data access, we can make the complex query very easy, and we can present the different view of the same data. And to provide the data independence, we can create the view. Basically there are two types of view. One is the simple view and another one is the complex view. What is simple view? Whenever the number of table is 1 and whenever it does not contain any functions or any group data, you can say it is a simple view, and we can perform the DML operation on the simple view. But if your query contains the number of table is one or more, or if it contains the function, or if it contains the group of data, then we can say that it is a complex view. And we cannot always perform the DML operation on a complex view. How we can create the view? It is very simple. We can write that create or replace. Here or replace is an optional keyword. By default there is a no force view. We can create the force view also even if the table is not exist. Even if query contains an error, then you can create the force view and then view name. Then after you can provide the alias if it is required. Then after this we can just write the as a subquery. With check option we can provide over here, and we can also provide the with read only. And the subquery contain the complex select syntax. Very simple. So how we can create the view? For example, let me give you the example for the same. For example, I want to create a view. Create view employee view 20 as select. You can just write the query. For example, employee number, name and salary from employees where department number is equal to 20. So it's a very simple view. View is created. You can describe the view also. For example, if you write here describe employee view 20, then it will display that there are three columns: employee number, name and salary. You can retrieve the content also. For example, if you think that I want to see the content, then you can write select star from employee view 20. Then it will display the details of all the employees who are working in the department number 20. So it simply retrieve the data from the table. You can say that this is the simple view. Even you can perform the insert, update and delete on this view also. Let me give the one more example. For example, if you think that I want to give the alias over here, then you can give the alias also in a query. For example, see what happened here. The select employee number, name and salary. This is the actual column name that is available in my view, and that all are the column that is available in this view. If you want to change the name of the column, then you can simply give the alias. Now let me create the new view with the different alias. How we can create the view using the column alias in the subquery. For example, let me create the view, create view. This is the cell view 30 as select employee number. Now I'm just giving the alias, that is ID underscore number. Then employee name, I'm just giving the alias, that is name. Salary into 12, and I'm giving the alias, that is annual underscore salary from employees where department number is equal to, for example, 30. Now your view will be created. Whenever you describe your view, for example, cell view 30, then your column name will be different, and that will be your alias name, this one, right? So whenever you write select star from cell view 30, then it will display the details of employees who are working in the department number 30, and with the annual salary, with the name and number, and the column name will be the alias name that you have defined in the subquery. So this is the way you can create the view by using the column alias. We can retrieve the data by writing select star from cell view 30. You can create the complex view also whenever your query contains more than one table, or if it contains the group functions, or if it contains any functions, then we can say it's a complex view. So for example, if you want to create a view that is contain the department statistics like minimum, maximum, average salary, then you can simply create the view. For example, let me create here view, create view, department statistics. So I'm just writing here department statistics as select department name. Now I want that the sum of the salary for each department. I want the minimum salary for each department. I want the maximum salary in each department. I want the average salary in each department. Here you can give the alias. For example, sum of salary is total salary. So you can write total sal. Here you can write min underscore sal. Here you can write max underscore sal. And here you can write average underscore sal from employees E, and you can write departments D, where E dot department number is equal to D dot department number. As we have used the group functions like sum, mean, max, and average, I have to use the group by close. So I'm just writing group by department name. You can press semicolon and you can press enter. Now your view will be created. This view is what? That is department statistics. It will contain the statistics of sum of the salary, minimum salary, maximum salary, and average salary for each department. So whenever you write select star from department state, then you will get the value, that is the in accounting, research, and sell, in each department total, mean, maximum, and average salary. And you can say that this view is a complex view. So we can create the complex view like this. Now, what are the rules for performing a DML operation on a view? You can usually perform the DML operation on a simple view, but you cannot remove a row if the view contains group functions, group by close, distinct, and pseudo column row num keyword. You cannot modify a data in a view if it contains the group functions, group by close, distinct, row num, and column defined by the expression. Even you cannot add the data in a view if it contains group functions, group by close, distinct, row num, column defined by expression, and not null column in the base table that are not selected by the view. What is with check option close? It is wonderful thing that you can use with the view. You can ensure that the DML operation perform on the view that stay in the domain of the view by using the with check option close. Let me give the example for the same. For example, here you can create the view, create or replace view employee view 20 as select star from employees where department number is equal to 20 with check option. Whenever you write with check option, now you cannot perform the insert into this particular table if department number is not 20. For example, if you write here that is select star from employee view 20, then it will display the details of all employees who are working in department number 20. Now suppose I am trying to insert into this view, that is insert into employee view 20, and I want to just insert number, name, and department number values. For example, I am inserting the number that is 1111, name of the person is Ankit, and the department number is 30. Whenever you provide any department that is not, whenever you are violating the rule of this department number, for example here the department number 20 with check option is there, and if you are providing the department number 30, then it will give you an error, and the error will be with check option where close violation. Here you can insert the record of the person if and only if you are providing the department number exact that is mentioned in the query. So here the where condition is match, so department number is equal to 20, so condition is match, and that is the reason why I can insert the record. So this is the way you can use the with check option. You can ensure that the no DML operation occur by using the with read only option. So what is with read only? Whenever you want to deny the DML operation, whenever you think that I don't want to allow any kind of insert, update, and delete, then you can use the with read only option. For example, let me create the view. I'm just creating a view that is create or replace view, and the name of the view is employee view 10 as select star from employees where department number is equal to 10. Now we can insert into this particular view just because it is not a read only. So whenever you write here insert into employee view 10 values, suppose I am inserting into only two columns, and that is not null, that is employee number and name, and values is for example 1112, and I'm inserting the record of Ram, then the record will be inserted. But what I want to do, I don't want to allow user to perform insert, update or delete. So how we can do this? Very simple. Let me do rollback here. Now I want to create the same view again, that is create or replace view name as select star from employees where department number equal to 10. Now here you can write with read only. So whenever you write with read only, now if you try to insert the record into this table, it will says that you cannot perform the DML operation on a read only view. So you can deny the DML operation by using the with read only option. You can remove the view if it is required by calling the drop view name. For example, if you think that I want to remove this particular view, that is EMP view 10, then you can simply write drop view name, and that is EMP view 10. So this is the way your view will be dropped. So this is what the view is. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.